Think of the YESCO service business as a conveyor belt system. Servizio is a software platform which acts as the belt, tying the core business functions together. Along the belt, opportunities transform into a lead, then into a customer, then into a job, and ultimately into an invoice. There are three core functions which are represented as the rollers on the conveyor. The first core function is patrol. A patroller drives at night, capturing pictures and descriptions of outages in Servizio. A salesperson or account executive contacts the lead, identifies the decision maker, and seeks their approval to perform the work. A field service technician goes to the location and performs the desired work. It is important to note the conveyor belt can only run as fast as the slowest roller. If any of the rollers slow down or seize up, so does the whole process. The success of the YESCO service business model depends on the synchronization of these three core functions.
The first core function of the YESCO service model is patrol. A patroller identifies service opportunities by driving a vehicle at night and capturing pictures and descriptions in Servizio. This changes the opportunity to a lead, also referred to as a patrol lead. The sales team or account executive conduct sales calls based on these leads, making a patroller the key component to a proactive sales process. How does the Patrol mobile app aid in the patrol process? Servizio software supports the patrol's function of the service model through the Patrol mobile app. Patrollers use the Servizio Patrol mobile app to capture patrol leads. Patrollers should take at least 2 to 4 photos of each service opportunity. This often requires exiting your vehicle and walking the property. Take multiple photos from different angles to capture the scope and scale of the service opportunity. During a shift, a patroller documents photos and descriptions of service opportunities and uploads the data through the mobile app to the Servizio desktop. Account executives then view and call on all patrol leads from the Servizio desktop. Routes supports the patrol function to improve performance. This is illustrated by the supporting leg of the conveyor belt. Routes help patrollers navigate areas where there may be service opportunities. Patrollers should visit routes on a regular basis in order to maximize patrol leads. How does the Servizio software aid in the routes process? Route creation and route scheduling and maintenance. Routes are made up of location markers called waypoints. Patrollers use waypoints on a route to navigate areas where there may be service opportunities. Use the calendar in the routes resource to review and maintain the patroller's schedules. Schedule a patroller to visit each route once a month and adjust the route weekly as needed. How does the Servizio software aid in the sales process? Sales process organization and customer record retention. The Servizio software is designed to assist account executives in following a service opportunity from lead to invoice by organizing data into a systematic sales process. Servizio uses cues to remind account executives of each next step in the sales process. Think of Servizio software as a filing cabinet. Within the filing cabinet, there are folders. Customer records represent the folders stored in the filing cabinet. Each folder contains individual files and information related to that specific customer, including patrols, jobs, invoices, notes, etc. How does the Service mobile app aid in the service process? Service technicians use the Servizio Service mobile app to view and enter job data while on site and upload the data through the mobile app to the Servizio desktop. Service technicians clock in and view their scheduled jobs in the mobile app. Technicians should review the scope of work and special instructions for all jobs scheduled that day to ensure they have the necessary equipment for each job. Once on site, technicians will check into the job in the mobile app, enter line items, upload before and after photos of the work, enter any notes or documentation, and update the job status. This data is synced to the Servizio desktop.
As you can see, Servizio by YESCO is a software built by a sign company for sign companies, specifically for managing a sign and lighting service operation. There are many more features of this powerful software that I did not demonstrate. Please contact us to learn more.